Hello students, in this chapter, Minerals and Power Resources, today we will do summing up and exploring new words. So, let's start with summing up. What are minerals? A mineral is a naturally occurring solid inorganic substance that has definite chemical composition and structure. Naturally occurring means not produced artificially. Inorganic means that it does not contain carbon from a living source. What is an ore? A rock that contains enough mineral to make the mining useful is called an ore. How do we extract the minerals? Which means how we can take out minerals from the earth. One of the methods of extracting minerals from the earth is open cast mining. Other method is quarrying. See, this is how coal is extracted below the earth. Another method is drilling. And by this method, we drill out petroleum. Do you know that petroleum is also known as black gold or liquid gold, and it is trapped between the layers of sedimentary rock. It can be extracted from offshore oil fields and coastal areas by drilling. In India, large amounts of iron ore, mica, bauxite, copper, manganese, limestone, gold, salt, and silicon are found. Iron ore is found in Jharkhand, Odisha, Chhattisgarh, Madhya Pradesh, Goa, Maharashtra, and Karnataka. Bauxite, the ore of aluminum, is called bauxite, and it is found in Odisha, Jharkhand, Chhattisgarh, Madhya Pradesh, Gujarat, Maharashtra, and Tamil Nadu. Mica, India is the largest producer and exporter of mica in the world and is found in Jharkhand, Bihar, Andhra Pradesh, and Rajasthan. Copper is found in Rajasthan, Madhya Pradesh, Jharkhand, and Karnataka. What are conventional sources of energy, and what do you mean by it? Conventional sources of energy are non-renewable form of energy and cause environmental pollution. Fossil fuels such as coal, petroleum, and natural gas, firewood, nuclear power, and certain aquifers are examples of conventional sources of energy. Non-conventional sources of energy are renewable in nature and non-polluting. The only exception is nuclear energy, which is polluting and non-renewable. Students, we must conserve energy to save our environment. We should make people aware of saving all the energies that is found on the earth. So, we should save energy. Save energy, save earth. Mineral, a naturally occurring inorganic substance found in the earth crust. Things that do not contain carbon and are not derived from living matter is called inorganic. Ore, a rock containing enough mineral to make its mining profitable. Ductile, capable of being drawn into a thin wire without breaking. Malleable, capable of being beaten or pressed into different shapes without breaking. Hard but easily broken is called brittle. Smelting, a process involving heat and melting that allows a metal to be extracted from its ore. Fossil fuel, sources of energy formed from decayed plants and animals that were buried for hundreds of millions of years under conditions of great heat and pressure. Thank you, students, for watching the video.